Good morning. This is the morning of March 16. It's about 4 a.m. and I'm with my brother Lokesh. Actually, we are going for the airport now. My flight is at actually 6:55. First, initially I thought it's at 7:30, so I was kind of like relaxed. But now it's not. We're still not running late. It's about 4:45 now. So I'll give you a more update on the once I reach the airport. Okay. There, and it's fucking costly.
Thank you.
I'm the only one with all this riding gear. So then I need to go to the place where I'll collect my bike. From then onwards I'll start my ride probably today to Tezpur. Now we get out. I got the cab, so I'll be going towards the place where my friend actually arranged a bike. So it's about like a 1 hour distance from the airport, and this funny thing actually happened. I mean, I collected all my bags and I was actually about to get out of the gate, and that moment I remembered that I forgot one of the bag. So I got panicked and forgot the tank bag. So I ran back to the reception. I told her that okay, I actually forgot my bag. But what happened was, actually I did not forget the bag. I was actually wearing it. I was so embarrassed. Actually, I told her this is the bag I was actually wearing. Right now, actually going to the city, get the bike, and probably start riding to Tezpur. Hi guys. So I was actually telling you about the YouTube and how you can actually kind of like make videos and make money. I hope we'll start a channel now. पैसा दे दिया आपने. So how was this place? Not so great, but it's good enough. I'm here in Assam. A friend who actually knew someone arranged the bike for me, and so the bike is free. I'm not at all. I don't have to pay any money for the bike, which I'll be riding for the next 16 days. So that part is like I'm happy for that actually. And you want to see the bike? It's just here. So I'll just turn the camera on. Yay! The Royal Enfield BS4 Himalayan. So people when I actually said which bike should I be riding to Northeast, so nobody suggested me the Duke, because it's not really the bike for the terrain. I heard like a lot of the people, they said that its roads are like very bad. This is the only bike which actually could take those terrains. So this is what I wanted, and I think probably most of you guys know this. I don't have many favorites in the bikes. There's only like 2, and my Duke and the Himalayan. So I'm happy actually I got this bike. So I'll be riding this this will be my companion for the next 16 days. So thanks to my friend Naresh actually, who gave me the saddle stay. This I actually fixed it, and this saddle bag, thanks to him, I got it all the way from Bangalore, and yeah. This were actually from the Rhinox. They gave me, not exactly for this ride, they gave it actually a couple of almost a month before the jacket and this one, and it's actually getting used now because it has that Magnapod and it actually sticks to the tank. I actually forgot to update about the guy before. I came via cab. His name is Kai. We were on the way. I was speaking to him about the place and all. He's a very young guy. I asked if he has a water in his car. So then he's like, no, sorry, it was got over. And I took it to the side. There was a nice, small shop. So he got the juice from him. He paid it. And actually, when I got down, I thought, at least I'll leave him a tip. So I was actually about to go to pay. What he said is like, you don't have to pay, you are a guest here and this is the way we actually welcome. That was really nice. I'm really touched. So thanks for that actually. Thanks, Kaim. Probably that was like a controlled fire. Here, yeah.
He stays near the Air Force cantonment and all that.
I think so, yeah.
And tomorrow onwards, I won't be stopping much on the way also. By any chance you need any help?
Yeah.
You just let me know.
Okay.
Wherever possible. In Orang, Masbar also I know people.
Okay.
So it won't be an issue.
Sure.
Chalo, man.
So, thank you so much again. Come to Bangalore sometime.
Man, sure.
Okay, I reached to this place. Let me call him.
Hello?
Hey, Samir, I think I reached.
Okay, I'm coming up, please.
Yeah. Sorry.
How are you, man?
Nice meeting you after so long time.
Good to meet you, man. How was the ride?
The ride was nice until almost till. So this is Samiro's place actually. His room, so he's vacating it for me. Reached about 5:30, almost 6:30 now, 7:30 sorry. I met Rituraj and I'm here at Samiro's house. I'll not wave camera out too much, so later on. Say hi. बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है इसलिए.
So this, if you see the